We ordered this curved shower bar to deal with this bathroom that has a slanted ceiling in it. These curved shower bars are typically used in a horizontal fashion, but we're tilting it up and using it vertically. We ordered this on Amazon and they come in all kinds of different colors. We'll have a link in the description below. Ours is black. What's cool about these is the mounting brackets can be either in the vertical or horizontal position. And by tilting ours horizontally, it gives us the opportunity to install this shower rod vertically. On this side, we got lucky because there was a stud behind the tile, which we just screwed right into, which was really nice. The mounting screws for the shower rod bracket are on either side there. That way we can position it just for the angle that we need. Drilling through tile is not difficult at all.
The basics of drilling a hole in tile is just getting the right bit. Press on that as you slowly turn the drill bit. And you can hear it kind of crunching. And that kind of starts the hole. And then you're through. You only get one shot at this. I'm taking the piece that I want to mount on the tile, and I'm lining it up just to make sure that that drill bit didn't walk on the tile and misalign this next hole. And so if it's still good, then I can go ahead and drill the next one. Went and remarked the hole because it looked like it moved a little bit. And since you only get one shot at this, it needs to be right the first time you drill. Since we got unlucky, we're going to use these wall anchors, and since the screw, there's nothing behind this tile, we're going to put this wall anchor in, but the holes need to be 5/16 of an inch. So we have our bigger drill bit. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so we'll just put that in there, give it a little tap. I hate wall anchors, but we got no choice. So there's our bracket. And we're just gonna line those up with the wall anchors. With screws in on either side. Last thing to do is go ahead and put the bar in itself and tighten it up with these set screws that are on the side. And tight but not too tight kind of thing.
So there we go, good and sturdy, perfect fit for a slanted shower. Hope this video helps. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.